Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hidden Brick, where today we're building the LEGO Friends Olivia's Garden Pool, set number 41090, 82 pieces. Has Olivia, has a garden pool, and a turtle. Oh, and check that out. A little radio. So, crank this thing open. I hope there's no stickers in here. Yay, no stickers. We have a folded instruction book. It's actually a fairly large instruction book once you unfold it. We have a loose plate and two unnumbered bags. There's our first bag. Here's the second bag. There we go. And Olivia's torso is in a bag by itself. So, let's go ahead and put Olivia together. Let's try to do it the right way. I'll put her torso on backwards. There's her face, or I guess her head. Her head and her face. There's Olivia. And the instructions show the flower on the side and some sunglasses top of her hair. That's Olivia. Next up is our little boombox radio. And we have a cool printed tile, which is why I was saying please no stickers, please no stickers. I like the printed pieces over the stickered pieces. Next up, we're going to start building the pool and slide and everything else. So we have some steps going up to the top of the slide area. Here's the slide. We'll attach it to that hinge brick. So now we're on to the little pool area. Use our big loose plate that was in the box, so that represents the water. Turn that over. Turn it back over. We have the one random masonry brick. I've noticed that with a lot of the Friends sets, that they give you 1 or 2 masonry bricks, and that's about it. So if you're looking to build up your supply of masonry bricks, don't buy Lego Friends sets. You won't get that many unless you buy hundreds of the Lego Friends sets. Then you may accumulate a larger quantity. Alright. Got a lot of these macaroni bricks with the 1x1 brick in between them. Alright, so that finishes the shape of the pool, and you can see it kind of makes this little heart pattern. Oh, how cute. A little heart. We have the printed little pinwheel sun shade there, and glass with a flower and a round tile on top. So that's one drink. And we have another drink off to the side with a cherry in it. There's a ball in the water. And lastly, we have a little floaty inner tube piece. Just like that. That's the inner tube, and it just sits in there. So we fill up the pool pretty quickly with those little elements. Have our slide we can put right there, and that's about it. So we could put Olivia in there, and her radio next to her, and of course the turtle that slides down into the pool. There you go. That is the build of Olivia's garden pool. We have quite a few extra pieces, which are okay, I guess. I mean, actually I didn't put on a few of these flowers, but still, even if I add those flowers, you can still see how many extra pieces we have. So that's it for this build. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos because I got a lot of stuff like this. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.